Okay, you guys, so to complete this project today, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need makeup bags. I got mine off of Amazon and they come in a set of 4 and they are canvas material. Canvas material holds heat transfer vinyl very well. I'm also going to be using quite a variety of different colors of the Shop Craftables brand HTV. I have their glitter, which is super pretty. I have their Craftables Smooth HTV, and I'm super excited to use their Rose Gold. I don't know if the camera's picking up how pretty these colors are, but I am super excited to get started and see how they look on the makeup bags. I've already pre-made my designs, but I'm going to go into Design Space and name off the fonts that I used and also explain how I created my little makeup SVGs. So let's head on over. Okay, you guys, so here we are in our Design Space. I have already pre-made these designs that will go on each makeup bag, and I incorporated each color of HTV that I showed you in my supply list. Let me just list the fonts I used really quickly for you guys in case you guys want to remake these. Also, all of the makeup SVGs that you see here, I created them myself in Design Space. If you watched my previous video where I converted a Betty Boop silhouette into an SVG, I did the exact same thing. I believe to find these, I Googled makeup clip art, and then I just saved the ones that I liked and then converted them into an SVG. The fonts that I used, this script is Shella Clean. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but you guys can read it right here. And these are all free fonts from DaFont, if I'm not mistaken. So you guys can go ahead and search these on the website DaFont. They have a lot of really, really nice free script fonts and just all kinds of fonts. This one, let me just click on it so you can see the name, is this. This is the same font as that one. I believe this one, might be the regular font right here, is Luna. And then the script is Shani. And that is also from DaFont. I believe all of these are actually. This one is Felix. This regular skinny font is called Felix. And then the script I used on this one is Congrats Calligraphy. So now what we're gonna do, I've already measured my makeup bags. You always wanna make sure that you measure the surface that you're going to be applying the design to so that you don't make it too big or too small. All of these are already measured to where I think would fit perfectly onto the bags. So now we're just gonna hit make it and make sure to load each correct color into the machine to be cut. And also, since we're working with heat transfer vinyl, always remember to mirror your image on all of these. I'm going to hit mirror so that after we cut it, it will press on the bag correctly. So here we go. Okay, so I've already cut and weeded all of the vinyl. I didn't want to record it because it was 8 different mats that I had to load because of all the colors that I'm using. So I went ahead and cut and weeded it off camera, and I already have my designs preset on the makeup bags while my heat press heats up. Here's all of them so far. I'll need to rearrange them a little more where I want them, but this is just so I get an idea of how they're gonna look. Every time you order from Shop Craftables, they include an instructions sheet that will list every type of vinyl that they sell and what settings to cut it on, and also for the heat transfer vinyl, it tells you how long to press it, if you need a Teflon sheet or not, the temperature, and how long after to wait to pill it. So we are using Craftables glitter heat transfer vinyl, so I need to preheat my heat press to between 300 and 315 degrees, and I need to pill it after a minute. And I need to press it for 10 to 15 seconds with the Teflon sheet. And for their smooth heat transfer vinyl, it's the same heat settings. I could pill after 10 seconds and the press time is the same as well with the Teflon sheet. So I am going to finish preheating my heat press, and then I will record pressing the designs. Okay, so I already measured the canvas bag to make sure the design was spaced apart evenly from both sides. And what I'm doing now is I'm making sure that the zipper is on the outside of the heat press so that when I press down, there's even pressure distributed across the makeup bag. I pressed for, I believe it was 15 seconds, and I used parchment paper instead of a Teflon sheet, and I waited 10 seconds for it to cool, and now I am carefully peeling off the transfer sheet. And what I do after is I press one more time without the transfer sheet and just using the parchment paper, again making sure the zipper is not under the heat press so that it presses evenly. And I did it for another 15 seconds as well, and I just repeated the process with the rest of the makeup bags. And we are done. Here are all 4 completed makeup bags. I love the way they turned out. I think the sayings are super cute. The glitter is so vibrant and the pastel colors are just so gorgeous. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and if you have any more questions, just comment below, and thank you so much for watching.